let's see this integral. Over here you have sin x and cos x over here. Okay, these are all linear. Okay, in this type of questions, what we used to do, we used to substitute t equals to tan x by 2. In that way we used to solve. I will solve this by somehow efficient way. Now let's consider sin x minus cos x is what? Okay, sin x minus cos x is same as minus root 2 cos of x plus what? Pi by 4. Okay, this we know. Okay, now if you expand this, you will get this. Otherwise, you have to remember cos of a plus b formula is what? Cos a cos b, with this plus then minus sine of a sine b. And remember, cos of pi by 4 is same as sine of pi by 4 is same as 1 by root 2. Okay, by using this formula, we will get sin x minus cos x equals to minus root 2 into cos x plus pi by 4. Okay, now instead of this, I can write like this, is equals to integral. So instead of this, dx upon, here we have already root 2 minus root 2 into cos of x plus pi by 4 dx. Okay, so is equals to, if I take 1 by root 2 common, integral 1 upon 1 minus cos of x plus pi by 4 into dx. So what is 1 minus cos of x plus pi by 4? Okay, so remember cos of 2x equals to what? 2 cos square x minus 1 is same as 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus, this is what? Cos of 2x. It implies 1 minus cos of 2x is 2 sin square x. Okay, and then it implies 1 minus cos of x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2. Now let's apply this formula. 1 minus cos x is what? 2 sin square x by 2. Let's apply this formula over here. Is equals to 1 by root 2 integral dx upon 1 minus cos x, okay, is same as 2. Here we'll get 2 sin square, okay, sin square x by 2. Okay, now here upon 2 will come. So x by 2 plus pi by, so is same as 1 by root 2. So I will send 2 also outside. 1 by 2 root 2, these 2. 1 by sine is what? 1 by sine is cosec. Okay, here we'll have cosec square x by 2 plus pi by, this should be pi by 8. 4 2s are 8. Pi by 8 into dx. Remember, we have integral of cosec square x is what? Minus cot of x plus c. Okay, now let's apply this formula over here. Is 1 by 2 root 2. Integration of this is, we have minus cot of x. Okay, here we have x by 2 plus pi by 8 upon, okay, upon d by dx of x by 2 is what? Half. We'll get 1 by 2 plus c. So now these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. So what we'll get is, minus will is outside, minus 1 by root 2 cot of x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus c. Okay, this is the required answer.